Today is Monday, March 19th, 4 o'clock. Wouldn't you know it, our afternoon showers are hitting us. One more we need to do, and it's gonna be questionable if we can do it. You can see by the windscreen it's already starting to come down, so we have to be real quick. We'll just do the best we can and hope that we have enough time. But hey, at least we won't have to worry about the yard being dusty, right? And this is a pretty big yard too. Well, big as far as my standards, so I don't know if I'll be able to do it or not. We'll see. The RZ mask, my glasses are fogging up. Sometimes this thing sticks a little bit. I still haven't figured out if it's my technique or something. One thing that I always do with customers is tell them that while I certainly don't aim to make mistakes or miss anything, if they ever see anything, call me out, text it to me, email me, and I'll come right out that same day or the day after and fix it. If there's ever mitigating circumstances on a lawn that makes it more likely that I'll have missed something, like the rain for instance, I'll do the same thing with, you know, a current customer, just remind him. There's a lot of studies that have been done that show people can handle bad news, delays, hiccups, accidents much easier when they're notified. So if you've got the same issue and you present it to the same person, but in option A you're very responsive and you're proactive, and option B you let them find out about a mistake and they have to call you to find out about it, it's very different outcomes, even though everything else is the same. Hi, Mr. This is Brad Bear with Copper Creek Cuts. I just want to give you a quick update. I was able to service your property before the rain came in real bad, and I did double check everything. But just as a heads up, in case I did miss something in the rain, please feel free to text me, email me, give me a phone call, and I'll come right out either tomorrow or the next available time if you do see anything. So I just wanted to give you a heads up. Like I said, I don't plan on there being anything because I did go over it twice, but just in case, I wanted to give you a heads up. Thanks so much, and hope you have a good rest of the day. Bye-bye. And in that way, if I did miss something, it changes the conversation from, ugh, this long guy doesn't know what he's doing, to, well, Brad told me this might happen, because of those extenuating circumstances. So I appreciate him letting me know, and it is a headache, but at least I know I'll take care of it. At least in my mind, that's the rationale, and what those studies I mentioned have shown. So anyways, thanks for tagging along. Thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Have a great day.